Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm going to do a another rainbow pour after I use these paints up. And I'm going to do this on a on a white background. And this is going to be another Dutch pour because I like the way the other Dutch pour came out with the black background. So I'm going to use these paints, and we're going to see what occurs with my. Oh, I really messed that one up. Yeah, let's see what we could do here before we even spread that out. Let's try and get rid of some of those bubbles. Okay. Let's spread this out. And I'll try doing it the same way I did it before. And we'll see what happens because you know how acrylic pouring goes. You could do the same thing a million times and you get something different each time. So let's see what happens. Don't forget, we have our parade coming up on St. Patrick's Day on the 17th, March 17th. That's a few days away. And if you're interested, please contact me. Just write down in the comments below. Or Cynthia Porter Studios. You can find that also in the description below. There's a link down there. And we'd love to have you. Okay, so let's start with our Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. And this is our red. And I did, if you see a little eye up here, that means that I added some iridescent medium into this. Okay. Oh, I just noticed what this is. This is my cloud paint. Okay, well this is going to be interesting. Huh. Oh, I wonder how this is going to work now. Oh. Maybe I better just, whoops. Wow. Yeah, I'm just going to do it like this because I really am not sure how this is going to work. Huh. This should be very interesting. Let me go back over here and see if I can get a whole bunch of, get a full line of paint there. All right. Well, I'm not even sure if I should be using my blow dryer here. But you know what? That's what I said I was gonna do. So let's just stick with the program. And okay. Well, I would normally swatch. I'll do that. Okay, did that. Now I wonder what's going to happen here. Let's see. That's interesting. Wow. Look at that. Woo. Wow. I don't even want to touch this. Let me get that torch. Looks like I blew enough paint off. Well, what I'm gonna do is let this sit for half an hour like I would normally do. Wow, what a reaction. That is gorgeous. Whew. Okay, I am going to fill that up a little bit right there. I'm going to shut the video and come back in a half hour, and I hope this doesn't get eaten up because this is absolutely gorgeous. Let's take a picture of that right now and see you in a little bit. Okay, I'm back, and this was a big surprise today. This is absolutely beautiful. I never expected. Well, I guess because I wasn't doing a cloud pour, but this was a Dutch pour turned into a cloud pour, which turned out absolutely beautiful. I am going to try this again on a bigger canvas because I do love the way this came out. It didn't overdevelop, so I kept a lot of my color. My color is all in here. It did tone it down a bit, but that's okay because all these colors were very vibrant to begin with. It didn't eat all my paint up. It just stayed kind of around the edges. I'm very happy with the way this came out. I really, I love it. And if you can please comment below and let me know what you think about it. But I got every color is in here, all the colors of the rainbow. I have my red, I have my orange, I have my yellow, I have my green, I have my blue, and I have my purple. So I got all the colors in here of the rainbow. If this isn't a beautiful St. Patty's Day rainbow parade, I don't know what is. So please join us on our parade on March 17th. If you're not going to join us to pour, please join us to watch, because we need people to come and watch us. That's, yeah, that's the whole idea, to get some people to subscribe, and how about giving us a thumbs up today, because I think I did a good one today. Thank you for coming. Have a great night, day, evening, whatever part of the world you're in. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off, and I will give you a close-up of this beauty right after this. Thank you. Bye-bye.